All right, continuing our weather alert day coverage tonight, the Fox 13 weather team declaring the alert as we track a number of systems across our state, from tornado warnings to earthquakes to snow. Western Washington really seeing all of it right now.
Yeah, our Frankie Thompson is live in Seattle tonight, where people are still cleaning up from the mess. Frankie.
Aliana, lots of progress is happening here in this neighborhood just north of University of Washington after a very large tree fell on power lines earlier this morning. Now, since then, crews with the Seattle City Light have been working, trying to restore the power and fix that power pole that is tilting from the windstorms.
If the howling winds in this Seattle neighborhood weren't loud enough, the tree it blew down certainly was.
I heard what sounded like a bomb going off.
Crews with Seattle City Light repaired down power lines after the tree fell on top from the strong wind.
There's a lot of tall, sturdy trees, so I was very shocked that this one went down.
Diane Faden, transit operator of this bus, says she got the startle of her life when she was driving overnight in Seattle's Lake City neighborhood.
I thought I saw something chunky in the darkness, and then all of a sudden, oh my God, it's a tree. So I slammed on my brakes. And I mean, I'm so amazed that the bus did not skid. It just stopped.
She says 3 passengers were in her bus when she hit the brakes. No one was hurt, but she says everyone was shocked by the sudden roadblock.
I'm looking around and there's wires, there's like electrical wires everywhere, and they're saying, don't get out of the bus, because there's a wire behind you, there's wires beside you, there's wires in front of you. I'm like, okay.
Crews worked to restore the power and clear the tree that Faden says she was within 10 feet of crashing into.
If it had not stopped, I would have plowed right through it. I probably would have been killed if that happened, because I understand the front of the bus is very fragile. It's mostly glass.
The gusty weather is blowing through all parts of King County, with winds reaching upwards of 35 miles per hour and gusts at 45 miles per hour. Crews in Redmond are clearing up 2 trees that fell in the windy conditions. In Woodinville, a tree almost snapped power lines over the road. This tree in Renton cut off traffic, making for a challenging morning commute. Crews are still cleaning up around the region.
They've got a big job ahead of them.